Greetings to you all. Welcome to Iswari's English. We are here to discuss ninth standard English, Unit 4 Supplementary The Cat and the Painkiller. Tom Sawyer's friend Becky Thatcher had stopped coming to school. Tom became unhappy. His Aunt Polly was concerned about him. She tried all manners of remedies on Tom. Tom grew more and more sad, pale, and dejected. He was fond of painkillers and asked for it. The medicine diminished, but there was no improvement in his health. One day, Aunt's cat Peter came to Tom while he was dosing the crack. The cat eyed the teaspoon greedily. It begged for a taste. He poured it. It sprang a couple of yards in the air. It set off round and round, making general confusion. Aunt Polly noticed the chaos and destruction caused by her pet cat. Tom lay on the floor laughing. Aunt wondered at Peter's act. She picked up the teaspoon and held it out. She raised Tom's ears. He said he had done it out of pity. She realized what was cruelty to a cat might be cruelty to a boy too. She felt sorry. Her eyes watered a little. She said that she meant for the best. Tom too said that he did it as she had done. She told him to stop annoying her and that he need not take any more medicines. Moral: self medication is dangerous. In our book, page number 112, some exercises are there. So I have discussed the answers here. Choose the suitable option. Tom was disturbed because three options are there. The right option is his friend Becky Thatcher had stopped coming to school. Mark the answers in your book. Aunt was an experimenter in dash, trying out new medicines. The answer is trying out new medicines. Third one. Tom used the painkiller to dash, to mend the crack on the sitting room floor. Mend the crack on the sitting room floor. Fourth one. Peter sprang a couple of yards in the air as he had a teaspoon of the painkiller. Finally, Aunt Polly said to Tom that he need not take any more medicines. Any. A-N-Y. Then identify the character as given. You have to tell who is the speaker of the sentence. He banged against furniture, upsetting floor pots and making general havoc. Peter. The character is Peter. General havoc காரணமானது என்னது? Peter. She stood petrified with astonishment, peering over her glasses. Aunt Polly. That is, I believe they do. Tom. Tom. What has that got to do that with it? Aunt Polly. I done it out of pity for him. Tom. Then you have to rearrange the given sentences in an order. The order of the sentences given here: Tom was dull and depressed. First, you have to take down and write Tom was dull and depressed. Then, second, so Aunt Polly tried different types of remedies on him. Third, since all her methods failed, finally she gave him a painkiller. But Tom gave that painkiller to the cat Peter. The painkiller triggered adverse reactions on Peter. He told his aunt that Peter had no aunt, so he gave him the painkiller. So the order of the sentence is 3, 8, 5, 6, 1, 7, 4, 2. Then complete the summary using the words. Here also I have given the answers for the dashes. Dejected, school, health, remedies, pretended, crack, Peter, painkiller, Somersets, teaspoon, cruelty, stopped. These are the order of the words you have to write in the summary given in your book under E. Hope you all have finished writing the book exercise 2. If you like this video, please share it with your friends. Unless you have subscribed our channel, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.